A little bit about the indexable URLs, which is a category of data that we have under the summary section of our reporting tool. Now this is the summary section, which is expandable and collapsible, and you'll find this from the reporting link in the side menu. You can also access from almost any other screen within the tool. Now our SEO tool provides a range of services such as crawling websites, scraping data from those websites, analysing that data, presenting it in charts and so forth. But we also perform a whole series of checks on data to make it easier for you to understand what that crawl data means. Now, indexable URLs are essentially URLs that at least have the potential to be indexed by Google. And what that means is that they have the ability to appear in the search results when someone's searching for a keyword. Now, we perform a on-page technical audit as part of our SEO tools, so that we don't look at things like backlink data or your Google Search Console at this point in time. So when we say that a page is indexable, what we mean is that it doesn't have a no index tag present on it and it isn't disallowed from the robots.txt file. Now those are the two places on a website that you can prevent a page from being indexed. There's plenty of reasons why you might not want to index a page, but we segment indexable pages out specifically because they're the most likely pages that you want to look at during your technical audit. Thanks for watching.